it's me, Sonia Walters, and today I'm going to be reviewing the My Little Pony Friendship's Magic Favorite Collection. As you can see, it has Flower Wishes, Rainbow Dash, DJ Ponyfree, Pinkie Pie, and Sunny and Lemony Gem, and Trixie Lulamoon. The pony said I was going to get as a single, but I got her with a bunch of others. And of course, our special guest star, Nightmare Moon. So, I'll unbox this in a bit. Just hold on a second. It's going to be a double review. Anyways, so here's the back of the box. Rainbow Dash, Trixie Lulamoon, Flower Wishes, and DJ Ponyfree. See? Awesome picture there that they made. And Pinkie Pie and Lemony Gem. Nightmare Moon returns to roll in darkness. Remember this day, little ponies, for it was your last. From this moment forth, the night will last forever. Nightmare Moon. Nightmare Moon. Yeah. So anyways, I'm really happy I got this set. You can even carry it. Isn't that great? And plus I got another set today. This set. I had it upside down. It's the Rarity and Daisy Dream set. So, I gotta go get something. Never mind. Hold on, I'm unboxing right now. So, I'll be unboxing the little set first because it's easier. But on the back, before I open it, on the back it says, Daisy Dreams and Rarity have so much fun together riding Ponyville on their scooters. The ponies find special ways to share time together. They are pony friends forever. Aww, really touching story. There's the train. This was at Toys R Us, so I might get that. These two things are still at my Toys R Us. So yeah, let's read. And on the back it includes Daisy Dreams, a book, two scooters, flowers, a helmet, a scarf, stickers, and a book. It includes 2 pony figures, 2 scooters, helmet, scarf, flowers, books, sticker sheet, and booklet. So let's open it. So right now I'm basically opening the box. I'm sorry I gotta open the box off of camera because I can't do 2 things at a time. You guys do understand, don't you? Sorry guys. But sorry about that. And anyways, I'm opening the box right now. Oh my gosh. As already on the friends called the Pony Scooter Friends, Daisy Dreams and Rarity. So I gotta get them out of the box because right now they're being hey. Ooh. No. Sorry. Still getting unboxed. Just hold on 1 second. Hold on a second. And yeah, so I have the ponies unboxed. I threw a box away. So yeah, I'm back. And now let's take the pony. And so here they are unboxed. And let's look at this book. I'm gonna probably read some of it to you as soon as I get it opened. like taking tape off stuff. Oh, it's the pony wedding. How come I never knew? Wait, no, it doesn't look like the pony wedding. Is it the pony wedding? Looks like the pony wedding. So, here we go. So, here is the little booklet, the little index, you know, that thing, you know. And here's that actual booklet. It's not a coloring book, but hey, I'm still happy. So I'm gonna read you a little description. I'm gonna read you a little description of a story. In all of Ponyville, there are many tales to be told. While I'll read this, I'm just showing the pictures. It's taking place in Ponyville instead. There's Applejack. And of course, her other friends. Well, I don't care. Still, I like that so much. But hey, the book is good too. There's, ooh, Miss Cheerily and Sweetie Belle. Nightmare Moon. The ponies. Hey. Anyways, y'all, I will read this in a different video. Wait a hoof-licking second. Princess Selena? That's not her. That's Princess Luna. They must have probably got mixed up. Twilight, no! So that's the booklet. Sorry if I didn't show the whole thing because I said I wasn't. So let's oh, I got the book out. So Twilight will be using the book. Basically, you'll see Twilight's books more often. Oh no, Daisy Dreams is stuck. Oh no. Hold on, I need to undo these knots. And then I'll get them out of the box for sure. So just give me a little bit more time. There. And away. Ooh, it came off easier than expected. So here's Rarity. I got her unboxed with all of her stuff, of course. Whoop. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do the tail and the mane, and I'm gonna style her hair as well as the Daisy Dreams hair tutorial. So I need to undo Daisy Dreams out of the box before I forget about her. Well, I'm not gonna forget about her, but I don't want her Rarity to stand alone much longer. I mean, her and Daisy Dreams, after all, are PFFs on the box. And I think Daisy Dreams and Rarity, Daisy Dreams is really interesting to me. I'll undo them thingies in a second. But hold on a second, just let me get the scooter out. Now this part. Oh my gosh, man. OMG. That is like a little red band on the scooter. For something. And I think it's to hold down the flowers if I'm not mistaken. So I'm trying to do this right now. But here's Daisy Dreams anyways. And so here's the scooter, of course. And ponies. So yeah, that's basically it. And here are the stickers. Yay! I don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet, but I might use it for series. So yeah, this is the Daisy Dreams and Rarity review. You thought I was going to review that, didn't you? I am going to review it in the next video because I don't want to make this too long. So comment, rate, subscribe. Goodbye.